and A2 and B2. Now, okay, A0, B0, B2. Let me see the question. We have A0 x plus B0 and FA1 x plus B1x. Let me, to make it easy, without F3, okay, let me use F2 and A2x and B2x, yeah, instead of A3, because we have F0, F1 and F2, we make it F2 equal to A2x plus B2 to make it easy. Yeah, let me return to the worksheet. Okay, x A2x multiplied by x plus B2. Yeah, then click enter. We have now f of 0, f of 1 and f of 2. Now we need to find A0, A1 and A0, A1, A2, A0, A1, B0, B1, A2, B2. Yeah, therefore, let me write it, equation 1. Then, according to equation 1, let me return. We have, okay, we have in this equation, F01, we have what? These 2 points, which is 2 and 3.5. 2 and 3.5. Therefore, this is, we make F0 2 equal to 3.5, and we make F0 3.5 equal to 1, in order to make it easy to solve A0 and B0. Yeah, let me return to worksheet. Okay, therefore F0 what? 2 equal to 3.5 and semicolon. We have it now. Good. And equation 2, let's call it equation 2. You can call it any name you want. Yeah, F0, the same, because it's the same line, straight line joining the 2 points. The second point, which is 3.5, as I said, equal to what? To 1. Yeah. Then click. We have now 2 equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Let me now go to the second line. This is second straight line. We have in the second straight line the same point, same previous point, which is 3.5 and 1. Therefore, we can call it f of 2, the same point, 3.5 equal to 1. And now go to the second point, which is 6 and 2. 6 and 2, we call it f2, 6 equal to 2. And we equal, and the same point. Then we go to the third straight line, which is this is f1, not f2, f1, sorry. And this is f2, 6 and 2, 6 equal to 2. And f2, this point, 10 equal to 0.5. Now we can blend that, implement that in the worksheet. Table 11 worksheet. Yeah. Let me write equation 3. F1, we have F1 3.5, sorry, not 2.5, 3.5 equal to 1, same. Then equation 4, F1, equation 4 what? 6, sorry, oops, this is an error, yeah. 6 equal to 1 to 2, yeah, 2. And equation 5 Question 5 now what? F2 we have. F2 the same as the previous one. 6 equal to the 2 and put a semicolon. Then question 6. F2 10 as I said equal to what? 0.5 and semicolon. Now we have 6 different equations. We have 6 equations, 2 the same, 3.5 like this one the same, but 6 equations. Now we want to solve these equations in order to find the variable a0, b0, the coefficient of x, coefficient a1, b1 and a2, b2. Therefore we write solve. We write solve, then open a bracket, then write this one. This is different. This is different from this one. Yeah, be careful. Write equation 1, equation 2, the same name. If any spelling mistake between any of the 6 equations, it will be an error. Therefore be careful in writing this. 4 and equation 5, equation 6. Then close the first bracket and the second different bracket. Yeah. Then write a semicolon. Now you have the variable. This is a0, a1, b1, a2, b2, a0 and b0. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 different variables. You can now take this variable and write the equations. Okay, let me now solution. Let me use another color. Now you can write the piecewise function. Let me call it s of x. Yeah. The first function between what and what? The first function is between 2 and first function is between 2 and 3.5. Between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3.5. Between 2 and 3.5. Second function between 3.5 and 6 and 6 less than x less than 10. Yeah, the third one. Let me now return to the worksheet. We have the first variable, which is this one, a0 minus 1.66, a0 minus 1.66 and b0 6.8 minus 1.6 x minus 6.8. This is a0x plus b0. Yeah, for the first from 2 to 3.5. Let me write the second one. Sorry, not minus, plus. Yeah, plus. Yeah. Now a1 and b1, 0.4 and minus 0.4. Easy. 0.4 x minus 0.4. Okay. And the last one, which is minus 0.375 and 4.25. Minus 0.375 plus 4.25. This is x. Yeah. Let me check it. Minus 0.3.5 plus 4.25. Now we have a piecewise polynomial approximation. Now the question is, approximate f of 4. The f of 4 is between what? 2 and 3.5? Not between the 2 and 3.5. 3.5 and 6? Yes. 4.5? Sorry, 4 is between 3.5 and 6. Now we approximate it. F of 4 equal almost equal to the s of what? S of 4. And substitute that 0.4 times 4 minus 0.4, which is almost equal 0.4 times 4 minus 0.4, which is 1.2, which is 1.2. Now we solve this question and we approximate f of 4. And we are done with the linear spline interpolation. And I would like to say thank you for listening to me and good luck. See you in the next lecture, which is about quadratic spline interpolation. See you.